If you want to add a custom thumbnail to a video in Squarespace, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. This is a really useful feature if you want your video to look more polished, match your brand, and stand out better on your website. A custom thumbnail can make a big difference in how professional your page looks and can also help improve engagement by giving visitors a clearer preview of the video. If this tutorial helps, please take a second to like this video and subscribe for more easy Squarespace tutorials. Now let's get into it. First, open Squarespace and go to your website dashboard. Once you're inside your site, look for the Pages section and open it. This is where you'll find the page that contains the video you want to update. Go ahead and choose the page you want to edit. After that, click Edit in the top left corner. This will open the page editor so you can make changes to the content on the page. Now locate the video on your page and click on it. When you do that, a small pop-up toolbar should appear. On that toolbar, click the pencil icon to open the video settings. This is where Squarespace gives you access to the video block options and lets you customize how the video appears on your site. Once the settings panel opens, scroll down until you find the custom thumbnail option. You should see a toggle for it, and all you need to do is switch it on. After you enable it, Squarespace will give you the option to upload your own thumbnail image. Click Upload and choose the thumbnail you want to use from your computer. Make sure the image is clear, eye-catching, and sized well for the video area so it looks great on both desktop and mobile. Once the thumbnail is uploaded, save your changes and preview the page to make sure everything looks correct. If needed, you can go back and replace the image with a different one until it matches the look you want. And that's it. You've now added a custom thumbnail to a video in Squarespace. It's a simple change, but it can really improve the overall appearance of your page and help your video look much more professional. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Squarespace how-to videos on the channel.